Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to delete multiple groups on the Messenger app for PC with the latest update. If you find yourself overwhelmed by too many group chats and want to streamline your Messenger experience, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to access all your conversations. Once you're in, scroll through your chat list to find the group you want to delete. It might take a moment to locate it, especially if you have numerous chats. Once you've found the group you want to remove, hover your cursor over it. You'll see 3 dots appear on the right side of the group name. Click on those dots to access additional options. Now, select Delete from the menu that pops up. This action will prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete the group. It's important to double-check, as this step cannot be undone once you confirm. After confirming your choice, the group will be permanently deleted from your Messenger app. But what if you have more groups to remove? No problem. Just repeat the process. Go back to your chat list, find the next group you want to delete, hover over it, click the 3 dots, select Delete, and confirm again. Continue this process for any additional groups you wish to remove. This simple method will help you declutter your Messenger and keep only the conversations that matter most to you. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted multiple groups on the Messenger app. A tidy chat list can greatly improve your messaging experience, allowing you to focus on what's important.